World, this is the two-tie Timmy tutorial on how to roll a joint perfectly. Now pay attention to the man in the screen, and with two fingers he will show you how to roll a joint perfectly. Pay attention now. Hello world, this is the two-tie Timmy tutorial, and I'm two-tie Timmy, see? Oop, maybe three. And I'm going to show you how to roll a joint perfectly. Now pay attention. All you need is two fingers to roll a joint perfectly. Alright, you paying attention? Alright, now watch. Watch it. Ready? Here we go. Roll. 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 Now folks, see how you roll that joint? Now that's how you roll a joint perfectly. And thank you folks for watching this two-tie Timmy tutorial on how to roll a joint perfectly. Pay attention now. Perfectly. Now pay attention. You paying attention? Perfectly.